Amines. See, amines are the most important, one of the most important categories of organic compounds. They are mainly used as an intermediates in forming number of what fabrics, fibers and other type of derivatives. Amines basically are involving NH2 group. So when ammonia becomes a part of the organic compounds, it's called amine. So RNH2 is a very general expression for any amine. Let us understand first their classification. See, amines are of three types called primary, secondary and tertiary, depending upon the number of the R groups they are having. If any alkyl is having only one R group attached to this nitrogen, it's called primary amine. If the R group, if the amine is having what two R groups attached to it, nitrogen, like this, we call it secondary amine. And if there are three R groups attached to this nitrogen, it's called tertiary amine. Now, in case of tertiary amines, let me explain their structure, or let's take any of the amines. Let's take their structure first. This nitrogen is sp3 hybridized. So all of these are having pyramidal structure. If we can talk about an amine which is having three methyl groups attached to the nitrogen, that will be having what, this is the lone pair I am talking about, there the nitrogen is having. They will be having maximum what repulsions because of the steric hindrance of the two methyl groups. The angle becomes here 108. We know that otherwise in case of amines it is actually 107. So it gets increased little bit, but of course because of the lone pair bond pair repulsions, it's less than 109.5. Now let us move to their nomenclature.